Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth, product specialist here at Fremont CDJR, proud member of DGDG.com. Today we're going to be looking at the only street legal drag car in existence, the 2018 Challenger Demon. So looking right up front at the hood, we see the 45 square inch air functional hood scoop. This helps, of course, with keeping the engine cool during those fast drives, as well as the air intake right up front here next to the front lights. Now we can go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. All right, so looking under the hood here, we see the Demon's supercharged 6.2 V8 engine. This comes standard with 808 horsepower. Once a few modifications have been done and 100 octane fuel has been added, it can go all the way up to 840 horsepower. So with this powerful engine, you're able to do a quarter mile in just 9.6 seconds, going at 140 miles per hour. This makes the Demon Challenger the fastest production vehicle, going from 0 to 100 miles per hour. So looking over here at the side, we see the Demon branded Nitto NT05 drag radial tires wrapped around the 18-inch wheels. So these tires are optimized for drag strip performance. And in true Dodge fashion, we see here the Demon logo, letting everyone know you're not one to mess with. And of course, with a car this powerful, you're gonna always want to protect your investment, which is why the Demon comes equipped with the backup camera. All right, so looking at all three keys, you got your regular black one, SRT key, and of course the red Demon key to unleash full 808 horsepower. So inside this Demon, we have premium Laguna leather seats with suede interior as well on the inserts of the seats, and the steering wheel wrapped in suede as well. So on your 8.4-inch Uconnect screen, you have all your standard Uconnect features as well as some performance pages for the Demon. We can see that on here. If we go to SRT mode, you're able to pull up drag mode. As you can see here, it shows you a list of what's being activated: 808 horsepower, drag transmission, drag traction, suspension. You can go ahead and adjust as well if you wanted to customize. You can change the power, transmission, paddle shifters on or off, traction, suspension, and steering. And of course, the Demon comes equipped with your launch button to help you get a quick start on your quarter mile. So that was a brief look at the 2018 Dodge Challenger Demon. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us here at Fremont CDJR, proud member of DGDG.com.